Hey beautiful people, my name is Michelle. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping back again. And if you're new to my channel, hey girl, welcome. In today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick haul with some things that I purchased from E.L.F during the Black Friday sale. So if you want to see all that I have, stay tuned. But before you leave, please remember to give the video a thumbs up if you like it, share with a friend, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on your post notification bell. That way you never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys at the end. Hey guys, so I'm just going to do a quick haul for some stuff that I purchased during Black Friday from E.L.F. So first of all, I'm loving the bag. It says, get ready to feel E.L.F-ing amazing. Oh, that was cute. Yeah, E.L.F-ing amazing. That was clever. Right, okay, so I want to do a full face of E.L.F, right? So I purchased some things. So the first thing that I have here that I've never used from them is this, and I have my list here. This is a high definition powder, high definition powder in soft luminous. So it comes in this box. Let me see if there's a name. Okay, I don't see a name. Yeah, soft luminous, I guess that's the name, right? So it comes in this box here. Okay, so I can't wait to use this. So that's the packaging. Very nice. It's like, let's see, it's kind of like a banana, but it's not as yellow, right? So the next video that you'll see from me, I'm going to, you know, test out everything that I'm using. And I have my notes here so I can tell you guys the proper name. All right. And I also have this duo budge matte shadow stick. All right, it's a nice like lime color, and I'm gonna show you the shade. And I got everything for like 30% off. Alrighty, so that's how the packaging looks, and it's nice and lime. So you know, I'm gonna try to do some creative eye colors with this. So that's number 2. Alrighty, the next thing I have is the E.L.F. Let's see, what is this one called? It's the Instant Brow Lift Pencil, and the shade that I got was deep brown. Alrighty, so it has the spoolie at the end. I haven't had one of these, so you know, I'm excited to use it. I'm gonna do a full face and see what happens. So let me show you the color. Hopefully it will be dark enough. Okay. Alrighty. And the next thing I have this no budge retractable eyeliner, and it's waterproof, water resistant. Yes guys, so we have the E.L.F no budge retractable eyeliner, and of course it's black. I like all of the packaging that it comes in. And And of course, let me see if it's creamy. Ooh, feels so soft and creamy. It glides on very easily, guys. Next thing I have is the, and I have two of these. Didn't realize that I bought two. It's the satin lipstick. SRSLY. I'm not sure what that means. Satin cream lipstick. Alright, that's the packaging. Alright. Hopefully you saw that. Okay, it's cute. And let's see how the shade looks. I'm putting everything on the same hand. I'm gonna put her down here at the bottom. So it's like a soft pink color. It feels very nice and creamy. And I think I have two of these. Oh, I guess I did order two because they charged me for two. Alright. Next thing I have, I'm going to try to use this to set my under eye. It's a Prime and Stay finishing powder. And it's medium. Alright, so it's just a pressed powder. I don't have to open this one, guys. This one is just a pressed powder. So I probably can use that under my eyes. Or the lipstick. I also wanted to try one of these the E.L.F. Halo Glow Powder Puff. See, it's thicker. It's thicker than the normal one. Right? You know, it says E.L.F. on here. So, I wonder if you have to... Okay, it's not a sponge. It's not a sponge. I was going to say if you have to wet it, but duh. Alright. So, everything I have here should be able... I should be able to do a full face with that. So, we have the E.L.F. Luminous Putty Blush. This one is like a peachy color, and it's cream. I may have this one already, but they were very affordable, so if I have two, that's fine. I want to show you guys how it looks. Let me get another hand over here. So look at the color, it's very pretty and it's creamy. Ooh. I'm gonna put some right here. Okay, that's gonna go on very nicely. Okay, what else we have? This little bag here. I also have a blush. This is the Powder Blush palette. It has 4 colors in it. Okay. So that's how it looks, like a quad. And like pinky and like peachy colors. Very pretty. They're very light, but hopefully they'll show up on my skin. I have a few more things. This one is a brown lip pencil, brown lip liner, Cream Glide lip liner. Alright, so I want you guys to see the color. Just a regular brown pencil. And let's see how the shade looks. Ooh, it's so creamy. Okay, that should be very pretty on the lips. And then we have this is a lip plumping gloss. I always love these. Lip plumping gloss. I've seen this before, and a lot of people here on YouTube. It's called Peach Bellini. It's like a peachy nudie color. All right. Of course, you know we're gonna swatch this too. Ooh. Okay. It's nice and thick. It's not like an oil, it's a gloss. So that's the color right there. So that's gonna be very nice. All right, so we're almost done, guys. I'm telling you, I'll be able to do a full face with everything that I have here. So I actually have this. This is called the Brow Lift Applicator. Brow Lift Applicator. So this has a spoolie, right? Let me show you. Has a spoolie at the end. On this end has a spoolie, right? And then on this end has like a spatula. So I didn't realize that I didn't buy the product to go with it, right? So you have to put like some type of brow gel or brow, I would say like a brow putty, like a, you know, like a, to brush up your brow, and then you use this part to like flatten it down when you put it on, like, you know. So that's what this the bottom part is for. But I didn't buy the product that goes with it, so we can't use this one. I also bought this mini Holy Hydration face cream. It's a small one. I think I used another one before. I'm not sure if it was this one. I think it was a different one. The one I had SPF in there. You guys can't see that. Hopefully you did. Ready? So then I have the cutest little thing. I have one more thing before this one. So I bought this. I'm not sure if it's the right shade. This is the E.L.F. Flawless Foundation. Satin Foundation. Okay, so we're gonna be putting this on our face. I'm not sure if this is the right color, but I'll try that when it's time. Okay, and then we have the cutest little oh, I also have this brush, one brush. It's the dual-ended nose contour brush. I actually saw Nana Beauty with this one, and I was like, oh, that's perfect for the nose contouring. So you have two sides. You have this side, slightly angled, see? And then you have this side. You can use this side also. Okay. All right, so that's that. And the last thing was this little cute little it's called Good Vibes Only eyeshadow palette. And yeah, let me show you guys. Isn't this the cutest thing? Right, so it has like a brown, a lighter brown, and like a yellow or gold, and then like a shimmery color also. So let me swatch this and show you guys how it looks. I want you to see. I want to see if the colors are pigmented. It's open now. Alright, so these are the colors. Hopefully I can do something with them. So let me swatch. Let me swatch all four. So we have the shimmery color. I'm gonna put that here. Can you guys see it there? I don't think so. Let me put it somewhere else. Let me move my watch. See it? Oh yeah, that's pretty. And then the yellow color, it's not satiny, so, but you could still see. You could still see it at the bottom, right? And then we have the other peachy looking color. I'm gonna put that one up top. This one is very light, so that one would be like a transition color. You can't barely see that one, right? And then we have the brown. Right here. Okay. So, I'm pretty pleased with this. I'm sure I can get a look out of this cute little thing. Alright? And that's all we have, guys. So, E.L.F is having a sale. So, if you want to get a few things, you can go ahead and check those out. And I'll be sure to have a video coming up soon with me using everything that I showed you guys today. Alright, guys. I hope that you enjoy that. Happy shopping. Again, I will leave the links of everything down below in the comment section for you. And just like that, beautiful people, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this quick haul. I hope that you saw something that you like. If you do, remember that I will leave the links down in the comment section for you to check it out, to make it easy for you guys. Again, if you like the video, please to give it a thumbs up. Share with someone that you think may like some of these items. Subscribe to the channel and also turn on your post notification bell that way you'll never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.